Hey there, Joel here and welcome to this online class. Today is the part 2 video of the chapter Simple Equations, and I just hope that you have watched the first video. In case you haven't watched it, then please go ahead, watch that video. I'll put the link in the description box or over here in the I button. Okay, please go ahead, watch the first video because that is like the base to start understanding this entire chapter, Simple Equations. In the previous video, we have learned how to convert a statement into a simple equation. Today, let us do the opposite of that. So, we have a simple equation. Let us see how we can write it in the form of a sentence. Okay, so first example let us take is x minus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, now, so don't get confused. Okay, so x minus 5 is equal to 9. Now, in this case, we have a variable, we have a constant, two constants, right? Now, what are we doing? We are minusing 5 or subtracting 5 from a number, okay? And we get answer as 9. Again, what are we doing? We are subtracting 5 from a number to get the answer as 9. That's it. So I can write this as subtracting 5 from a number gives us 9. Okay, simple as that. You can use, in the previous video I have already given you those certain key words that you need to remember. Use those words when you see those symbols. Equal to, I told you can either write is or you can write gives. Okay, then subtracting is nothing but minus from a number. So this is some number which we don't know, so I'm writing that. So subtracting 5 from a number gives us 9. Simple. Let us take another example. Okay, next one is 5p is equal to 20. Okay, now P is maybe pressure. Okay, so 5 times the pressure is equal to a value which is 20. So I can write 5, sorry I have to write it in the sentence, right? 5 times, because it is multiplied, 5 times P is 20. That's it. I hope this is clear. When there is a simple equation, you can change it into a sentence, or if it is a sentence, you can change it into an entire equation. You can try these for your practice, and that is 3n plus 1 is equal to 7 and n upon 5 minus 6 is equal to 3. Okay, I have not given directly what is there on the textbook, okay, so don't think that you will get the answer directly. Please try it yourself, because if you straight away copy what is there, then you are going to make a big mistake. So don't do that. Hope you have understood what is explained, and then you will be able to change these into sentences. Alright, so let us study a little bit further now. Say for example, okay, you're very hungry and it's evening time, so your mother prepares some nice samosas for you to eat, okay, and you're very hungry and you eat one samosa, stomach is not full. You eat another one, still nothing is happening. You eat 3 and 4 and 5, in total 6 samosas, and then you say, oh mommy pot bole sarge, I'm totally satisfied. Okay, now here what has happened? You were hungry and then you ate something. You ate samosas, right? Or it can be anything actually. So you ate something and finally your hunger was satisfied, right? You were relaxed. Now If your hunger was not satisfied, can I say, okay, that you're hungry, right? Okay, you're hungry. Okay, you're hungry. The stomach is completely empty of yours, and you're screaming that you want to eat something. Can I say that you are completely satisfied? No, you will say, no, I'm not satisfied, I want to eat more, right? So here, why am I telling you all this? Is I have an expression or equation x plus 3 equal to 0, and then I'm telling you that this expression is satisfied when x is 3. In other words, you were hungry, and then I'm just saying it that I give you 3 samosas and you are full. Okay, that you are satisfied. No, it is false, right? Because you ate 6 and I'm just telling you 3. So it is not true. So for it, so that we verify this, all we do is put 3 value in place of x, because it is said, right, x equals 3. So wherever there is x, we put 3. Simple as that, and write the same equation once again. So here I will write, instead of x, 3. So 3, rest everything remains the same. So plus 3 is equal to 0. And what do we get? 3 plus 3 will become 6 equal to, and then 0. Is 6 equal to 0? No, right? It is not equal to. Not equal, right? So not equal. So I can say that 3 doesn't satisfy the equation. Just like 3 samosas doesn't satisfy your hunger that way. So if I say this is your hunger and 3 samosas are not satisfying it. So the result over here, I can write this as 3 does not satisfy the equation. Okay? X plus 3 is equal to 0 when x is 0. Okay? So they are saying that this equation is satisfied when x is 0. So here, in place of x, all that we do is put 0. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. And the answer that you are going to get is 3 is equal to 0. Is 3 actually equal to 0? Not equal, right? So I will write not equal. Okay? So here again, 0 does not satisfy the given equation. So like this, if you look at exercise 4.1, there are a number of equations and you can try solving each of them. Let me take a few more examples for you so that your doubts are clear. So I can say 5x is equal to 25 and x is 5. So what are we saying? We are telling that this left hand side and right hand side will be satisfied when my x value is 5. This is something that is told to you. You are supposed to verify it. Okay? So to verify, all that we do is substitute the value of 5 in place of x. That's it. So this will become 5. In place of x, I'll put 5. So I can't write 5 over here directly, right? So I'll put a bracket. Is equal to 25. So what will happen here? 5 times 5 is 25 is equal to 25. My left hand side and right hand side is equal. So I can say x is equal to 5 satisfies this equation. Okay? It's a different equation, right? So every equation will have a different coefficient or a different value or a different number that will satisfy that equation. Just like for you, 6 samosas will, fill in your stomach well. Like that, for someone else, it might be just 2 samosas, or it might be just 1 samosa, or it might be 10 of them. So it all depends on the equation. It all depends on each one's hunger. Okay. So when they are saying that verify, you remember that I need to put a number in that equation and check whether my left hand side and right hand side is equal. If it is equal, then it satisfies the equation. If it is not equal, it does not satisfy the equation. So please solve exercise 4.1 as your homework. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, then please don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care and bye-bye. God bless you.